In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to add additional contact information to the author profile. To do this, you need to have access to your web server because we do need to write some code. What we're going to do is add fields for Instagram and Pinterest, as they are two other very popular social networks. So to start off, we need to connect to our server, and you can see that I've already connected to mine here, and you'll need to navigate into functions.php of the theme that you're going to be changing. However, I strongly recommend that you use a child theme rather than a parent theme. If you don't know how to do that, just go and simply check out our tutorial. It's very fast and easy. So to get started, we need to first write a function, and I'm going to call this wkb user contact methods. And we need to provide the user contact methods variable as an argument to that, otherwise it won't work. So then we use opening curly braces to get it started, and we need to add new values to this variable. So user contact methods, square brackets, and then single quotes, and the name of what you want to add. So we're going to do Instagram first. And then to add what will actually be displayed in the dashboard there, we put in Instagram URL, and we make sure we end that line with a semicolon, and do another line, user contact methods again, this time Pinterest, and naturally Pinterest URL. Finally, we need to use return, because what we need to do is return these values to this variable. So user contact methods, semicolon to close it off, and then just below this function, what we need to do is use add filter so that this gets added into WordPress correctly. And we use, funnily enough, the user contact methods filter, and now we need to input the name of the function that we're putting in there. Semicolon at the end, save, jump back to WordPress and refresh. So what you can do now is put in these URLs if you'd like, and just put username, and the same again for Pinterest. And then you can just scroll down and click update profile. Then you can jump through to the front end of your WordPress website, and if you followed our earlier tutorial where we added the author bio to the posts, this will make a lot more sense. You can see right here I've got the bio as we left it in the last tutorial, and with these 4 options right there. So what we need to do to get, say, Instagram for instance displaying is jump back into our functions.php, and the file we created in the last tutorial to handle the author profile is authorsingle.php. So what we're going to do is just extend that a little bit, and we'll just kick off by using echo, create the list, and then create the link, and get the author meta, and then naturally we write Instagram in there, close off that bracket, then use a dot to concatenate that, and opening single quotes once again, use a double quote to end the href there, and then type Instagram, close the anchor tag, and then close the list tag, and of course a semicolon to wrap that up. Save your file, and then jump back into your WordPress post and refresh. And there you go. So now the Instagram link will be shown provided it's filled in. And that's really all you need to do in terms of adding new contact methods or new links to an author profile. Of course, if you have any questions at all about this, please feel free to ask in the comments below.